Okay, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to create rendered floor plans using MNML AI in various styles. So what we have here is an AutoCAD floor plan. This is a style in sort of like a sketch. This is a style sort of like watercolor. Same floor plan. You can see all the details are reserved, even the furniture arrangement and the annotations. This is another style in form of illustration. So you see it has more color. There's also a differentiation in the floor finish, including the kitchen, the top cabinets, the bottom cabinets, and the external works. This is another style in form of photorealism. So you notice all the dimensions are still retained. This is another style. So these are the various styles we'll be going through, all from this floor plan. So let's get started. So new project. So I would upload the image here. Okay, so the image is uploading. So now on here I'll put plan, since it's a floor plan. View mode, I want 2D. Render style, let's use photoreal. Geometry precise. Drawing style, let's put realistic. Color mode, colored. Furniture, detail, let's say detail, because I want it to be detailed furniture. Wall style, let's make it filled. Annotations, let's leave them on. Let's see how the annotations would look like. So just say rendered floor plan, presentation style, highly detailed. Okay, so let's see what it brings. Okay, so this is it. I think this is nice. So if you compare it to the render, you can see how we sort of put this car porch here. Even put some parking, then the entry, so you can compare them. Look at the living room, this large living space, which it got. You can see the stairs, which it did. You can also see the dining, which it did. Also see the kitchen, the terrace, and the like. So this is good. So this is realistic. So let's go back and let's try some other settings. Let's use CGI. So under CGI, let's also leave it as realistic, colored. Let's see how CGI looks like. Okay, so this is CGI, and if you compare it with realistic sort of has like real textures. CGI sort of looks like a computer generated image, but you can still see the annotations around it. Okay, so let's try something else. Let's try illustration. Let's still leave the annotations on and everything the same. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is illustration. So you can if you compare illustration to CGI, then compared to realistic. So it's for example, it changes the car arrangement, but it's more colorful. Okay, so now let's try something else. Let's try watercolor. And I want it to look like a sketch. So this time I'm no longer using realistic. I'm using a sketch, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so this is watercolor. See how it looks like. It's the lines are not perfectly straight, and there's some form of coloring around. You compared to illustration, compared to CGI, and compared to photorealistic. So I think those are the various rendering styles. There's still a couple of others. You can still try technical, diagram, and I like. Okay, let's try something very. Let's try illustration and sketch, and yeah, let's turn off the annotations this time. Okay, so this is the illustration and sketch. Again, let's compare it to the various styles.